Here.
Xander. Oh, what's that noise? You sound silly. Okay, your turn. Mm.
I'm quite done coughing now. Yes?
Like a half smile.
Mhm. Hi. How about you? Boy, he sure is different when he's not feeling good, huh?
Yeah. So sorry. Don't have any energy, do you?
Well, go ahead and just cough it out.
Let's go get you some Mucinex.
Help if you could cough it up.
Xander.
Looks so much like Lance.
I know.
Xander.
But when I pulled that, it was